Hello, today we talk about the question we meet in this week. The first one is the remote sampling function of RD6006P, which is introduced last week. For this test function, since the hardware needs to be changed, for the old RD6006P power supplies, they do not support this function. Sorry for that. And at the FAQ page of the product, normally you can get the answers to most questions. We use RD6024 as example and check its description page. Question: can I use it to power on inductive load? Answer: if you connect inductive load such as motor, the max working voltage and current is 1/3 of full range. Don't exceed it. For inductive load, when started, there will be big inrush current, so that there is a limit of the current you use. Normally, no matter what power supply you use, do not use it over the 1/3 range. Question: why there is a fuse in the box? Should I install it? Answer: it is a backup fuse in the. If you burn the fuse with wrong operation, you can insert the fuse in the socket next to the burned one for temporary use, and it supports only 10 ampere, so it is better to remove the damaged fuse and solder the good fuse on the same position for full output. For this question, it is asked many times. Some customers find the backup socket empty, they thought the fuse is lost, or there are 2 empty sockets, but there is only one backup fuse, still miss one fuse. Actually, you do not need to use them when you get the device. They are only used when the fuse is burned and used for test and repair. We sincerely recommend you to check the product page in order to know more about the product. Check if the device fits your needs before placing the order. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a good weekend.